Alright, gang, this is camping. It's officially set up 127%. She's looking good. I love it. I love my car so much. So this is gonna be the tour of the daytime because it's a different setup during the night than it is in the day. I'm tired, sorry. Anyway, so this is how it looks from the back. You know, not too shabby, not too shabby. I do have blinds. I'm gonna have a box here that has all my kitchen shit when I'm like officially camping, but that's my food anyway. My bed, my bathroom stuff, so it's easily accessible. This is my main entrance. That's why the blinds are off. But yeah, I sit there, my shoes come off, all this. I have my mini fan, my cooler's up in the front. It's honestly pretty chill, and I'm honestly loving the vibe of it. And honestly, I'm so happy that I got this car, because perfect. It's perfection. First, my curtain I can get set up perfectly to where it doesn't bother me in my mirror. I love it, I love it.
Hey, we're going for a long haul. You better slow down, old man. Oh, you're gonna be so tired by the time we get back, you're gonna melt tonight.
Well, no. Do you want to know what he's waiting for?
I guess.
He knows I'll go running with him. Good morning. Hopefully it doesn't die before I finish this little morning part. But so this is the first morning in my RAV, so I was just gonna like go through like what I'm gonna do for my morning routine, minus brushing my teeth, because I do that outside the vehicle because I'm not gross. Oh my god. So I have my brother's girlfriend's iPad here as my mirror. Innovations, you know, you gotta big brain time. You gotta be smart about things. I have these for my face and body and jazz. Cool. I still forgot I do not have trash in here. I'm a dumbass and didn't remember it. Alright, this is gonna be a tragedy. Note to self, brush hair after next quad ride. I have this to spray in my roots.
Change stuff too, but
First time to take my mom's quad out, you know, big boy moves, big boy moves. They added in so many trails that I'm lost. I had to call my dad. Dinner is on a delay. I feel defeated. Hi.
down just a minute and it's right there.
All right.
You'll see that jug.
Right.
We flew right by it like it wasn't even standing there. All right, I'm gonna go whip around. Oh shit, you dead?
Alright, so we just got back from our late night quad ride. Well, it's not even late night, so we're still going on another one. But Yeah, I have a fat lip now. I got fucking whacked in the tree. Whacked in the tree? Got whacked by a tree. Like fucking KO'd. But also, yeah. Definitely need that helmet and goggle. Get up before I come back. Because, like, ew. How's that going for you there, Dad?
Well, you'll see. It's going just as planned.
I mean, I'm digging the smoke vibes with the candles. I mean, tiki torches, but like, yeah, so it looks cool. But I'm cold, Dad. Hi, Mom.
Hello.
How are you?
Tired.
You're not coming with us this time, Bubs.
Good boy.
I don't really want you up here. Alright, so I'm not even gonna lie. I could totally, honestly get used to driving my house around. So actually catch me possibly getting a fucking van and living in it because I'm sick of working at a sandwich shop, you know? This is where it's at. This is literally what I'm supposed to be doing with my life right here. Dude, it's fantastic. Fucking shit.
Now I don't feel so bad.
That's why I'm using the rail.
Well, you see, my dad gave me his giant ass feet. Where's Dad? There he is.
Yeah, I mean, I bet you if somebody got all the quarters and changed it around there, I bet there's probably $1,000.
On where?
Like here, you can't really. There's none up here, but around the top, all that around there, if you.
Is money.
Yeah, it's like quarters and dimes and nickels.
Interesting.
Somewhere.
Oh, there's a dog. I don't think Isaac's gonna approve.
What?
There's a fish fly stuck in the spider web. There's a fish fly for you here to eat. Strike a pose! That works too.
Sand is up.
Sand is in my shoe, so I didn't take it off beforehand. I didn't know where we were going. I was just trying to get my shoes off because I just shoved my sock in the thing. Cause yeah, look at this so far. Oh yeah, waterfall. Yeah, I think I have one of those. I mean, more sand.
Yeah, wow. And so, according to the website, you can pour water on it. Like, the only way it absorbs water is if you're applying pressure. So if you like spilled something on there, you can just shake it off.
Oh, again, I haven't really tried it.
Oh yeah. Huh. Winner chicken dinner.
I don't know that you really could see it, but yeah, we're good. Just rolled right off.
And then to dry yourself off with it, they say you just apply some pressure and it'll dry you off.
Huh.
It's a little damp, not really. I just pushed in some water droplets.
And it probably takes way less time to dry out than these kinds.
Oh yeah, definitely.
That's his swimming. If that records for that is him swimming. Flop around like a fish. Why?
Oh, is that your way of taking off your shirt?
What?
Was that your way of taking off your shirt?
No, it's...
Huh.
That's his way of putting it on.
Ah, yes. That's so weird. There's a bee? Alright, fine. You ready?
Well, I don't know.
perfect.
See, this is where we should have brought the kite. There's always wind right here. We should have brought the kite.
So I am currently, oh shit, my car is gonna yell at me. Sorry about that, I had to buckle up real quick. So I'm currently heading off the family property. I didn't get to do much, obviously, because I have a cast on, so it's been pretty legit. But yeah, if you guys liked what you saw, I'm definitely gonna be doing more of these, especially as I try to get out and actually like accomplish more things that I want to do and like and all this bullshit. I do plan on coming back up in August, so I will vlog again for that too. Yeah, if you guys enjoyed, please just subscribe, help a brother out, give me some of that support, you know.